Hi, I'm Jason Johansen.
And I'm Myah Frostclapp. We're with Living585 Realty, and we're here to help you sell your home with confidence.
With my extensive experience in real estate, handling everything from sales to investments, I know how to position your home to attract the right buyers.
And I add a personal touch to the process, tailoring our strategy to highlight what makes your home unique. We're all about creating a smooth, stress-free selling experience.
Together, we offer a full-service approach that covers everything from expert pricing to staging and targeted marketing.
We also provide free resources like our home staging guide and seller's guide, along with free workshops to give you insider tips on selling quickly and profitably.
So if you're ready to sell your home for top dollar, let's have a quick call and get started on a plan that works for you.
Reach out and let us know when you're available for a quick chat. We're excited to help you move forward.
Call or text us anytime. Can't wait to work with you.